Chico, what up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? What up, my nigga?
How could you do what you did? How you be claiming that you was my brother, but you was just using a kid? I just might have to go get him, I move for the summer, and that is as true as it gets. I ride with a vest, no, I do not do no construction, but still I be moving them bricks. Move like a tiger, so call me a beast, and I drift through the night as I ride through the streets, and I'm sick on the mic, think I got a disease. I be dripping on white, you know God on my team. Worry about none who you got on your team, let it sing on your block, chop an Adam Levine. Mama say, hey, see you out of this world, but I'm still trying to find a way out of the streets. Ride through the night, straight through the day, won't chase for nobody, I'm stuck in my ways. My niggas keep dying, it damage my soul. If another one died, then I'm going insane. I just been flowing like 24/7, but stuck with depression 24/8, and I can explain it, just one of them days I try to get faded to cover the pain. Yeah, one of them days, one of them days. Young here, so how do you feel about death? I'm not afraid, I'm just afraid that he go ahead and call me the lay right before I get mom on the straight and put guap in the bank. I'm trying to head to the glory, but you wanna stomp on the brakes. All in my way, you take a look at my story, see I made a lot of mistakes. It's all I'ma say, it's all I'ma say. Never say you wasn't close to my heart, but you moving farther away. She like your hair, so I knew from the start, you niggas are all just the same. I know she really don't mean it, she think I'm way too conceited. I can get rid of these forces, I can get rid of these demons. I hit the beat with a meaning, this is my weakness, my season, yeah. They told me never say never, hey, but I never care how they feeling, so save all them texts for the pictures. Tell me how you feel in the nighttime, tell me how you feel when you're upset. Tell me how it go on the south side. Never had a night like this one, never had a night quite this fine. Try to take a step in my shoes, but I ain't never met nobody that's my side. How could you do what you did? Ay, how you be claiming that you was my brother, but you was just using a kid? I just might have to go get him, I move for the summer, and that is as true as it gets. I ride with a vest, no, I did not do no construction, but still I be moving them bricks. Move like a tiger, so call me a beast, and I drip through the night as I ride through the streets, and I'm sick on the mic, think I got a disease. I be dripping on white, you know God on my team. Worry about none who you got on your team, let it sing on your block, chop like Adam Levine. Mama say, hey, see you out of this world, but I'm still trying to find a way out of the streets. Tell me how you feel when you're upset. Tell me how it go on the south side. Never had a night like this one, never had a night quite this fine. Try to take a step in my shoes, but I ain't never met nobody that's my size. Ay, still with missing, I'm still independent. And please leave a message, I'm dealing with business. This beat, but if ever no deal, I'm spinning for wheelers and glizzards. I feel like I'm racy, I feel like ain't lost in no lot, I'm a menace. And you can play parts of my always gon' finish, I'm always gon' spin it. Slip with the chest like I taught the magician. Yeah, straight through the day, won't change for nobody, I'm stuck in my ways. My niggas keep dying, it damage my soul. If another one died, then I'm going insane. I just been flowing like 24/7, but stuck with depression 24/8, and I can explain it, just one of those days I try to get faded to cover the pain.
Suicide two-tone, bleeding with the roof gone, blooded like a newborn, cutting like a coupon, pulling on my tennis just to make the wheel turn, strike a match with my teeth just to let the weed burn, ash on my shirt, shoelace on my waist, Fiji water in my lap, hydrated all day, sesh, hollow water boys live from the grave, got my hair pinned back like the fucking Green Ranger, young Chris Angel, trying to see my angle, disappear smoke, then I'm cash for some days, rubber shoe sole, feel the pressure on the pavement, pussy try to be me, just be thankful, riding in the camouflage Bronco, looking like the white Benny Blanc.
Yo, where are they?
Oh, down. Head.
Come on, man.
Josh, stay there, stay there, stay there.